Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. Thank you guys for stopping by. So I'm pretty sure from the title of this video you guys already know what time it is. So we have a new hair tutorial from Rpgshow. Now this is my second wig that I did get from them this month. You guys, that first wig that I received, the blonde wig, did post it on my channel. I believe I called it the ultimate highlight blonde wig. Amazing, amazing. Their quality on that blonde wig that I did receive from them is literally 10 out of 10. It is top notch, definitely worth the high price tag. Oh, let me just unbox it quickly and show you guys. Obviously this is the packaging. This is my wigs in here. All your wigs always come with some goodies, so I have this little packet here with stuff on how to. So this is basically like stuff to cut your lace, tweeze your lace, and pluck it and all of that. And then they also send you some stocking caps. This is like a conditioner for your wigs if you ever want to wash your hair. On the inside, a little card with your wig details and all of that. And then a wig bag for your hair. So this one is a short wig compared to the last wig that I did from them. The last one was like a long blonde curly hair. This one is shorter, just a wavy hair texture. So this is what your wig is looking like. The inside of the wig, all their wigs always come with an extra elastic band for extra security on your wig. Hairline comes pre-plucked. The knots on this unit are bleached. As you guys can see there, the knots does come bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Let me just show you guys. So color is a beautiful rich ombre color. Has some brown, some blondes, and some low end highlights. So this is really cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. Let me just take this wig that I have on. Ooh. I know, the ghetto. It's crazy. You can just pop a wig off and pop another one on within less than 2.5 seconds. I love how tight this feels on my head. And so as you guys can see, the hairline does come pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. She's looking like scalp. That is what the hairline is given. Very, you know, natural tease. Alright, so now I'm just taking my rat tail comb. Initially, I was going for a center part, but it was just not giving what it was supposed to give, so I just flipped the hair over, and then I decided to do a side part. So here I'm just like creating that parting space. And then what I like to use to make my wigs lay super flat is a wax stick. I got this one from Amazon. I'll leave it listed down below. It is in my Amazon list. Yeah, wax stick and a hot comb. You definitely need that for your wigs. It makes it look super, super flat. It just makes a difference. I'm just putting the hair back out of my face, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut off those sideburns. I'm taking that little scissors that came with your wig, and I'm just cutting off like the excess lace. There are days where I do prefer to lay my wig down first before cutting off the lace, and there's other days where I prefer to lay it down without the lace. Today was one of those days where I laid it down without the lace. And I'm using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to lay down my wig. I did apply one layer of this product. You want to make sure that you spread it out evenly, and then take your blow dryer and let it sit on the product for like a good 5 to 10 seconds, I would say, before laying down your lace into it. You want to make sure that it's like semi-dry before actually laying your lace down into it. So that is why I take my blow dryer and go over it before actually laying my lace down. And then after that, then you want to take your lace and just lay it directly into it, and then you can dry it. And once this product is dry, you guys, it is on your head. Like, you get a really strong hold with this product. Now that my wig is completely secured onto my head, I'm going in with my curling iron from Conair. I believe I purchased this on Amazon or Walmart. One out of the two, I'm not too exactly sure. But yeah, it was like a really cheap curling iron, but it gets the job done. Like, honestly, it really gets the job done. Gives you some really nice big curls too, so I like this. Yeah, just curl up the hair. Again, this hair did come in a wavy state, so you would definitely have to go back in and style it after it arrives. But yeah, you guys, the hair is really nice, really beautiful. Did not have a smell or anything to it. Yeah, definitely a bomb wig. Highly, highly recommend it. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig now that I'm finished with styling her. This looks so good. Guys, this is such a beautiful wig. The color is amazing. I'm definitely loving the shortcut. I don't know, lately I've been like really getting back into like bobs and stuff like that. I am obsessed with this color though. It's such a gorgeous rich brown color. The hair is super soft. It feels really silky and nice. You can run your hands through it with no problem. It literally feels like a baby's skin, how soft this hair is. Definitely has like a really nice density to it. So this is the wig. I'm so loving this, you guys. And also I love the fact that there's like no baby hairs and it just looks so natural. Like, it looks like it's growing completely out of my scalp. So what I mainly like with your wigs in particular is the fact that you have the option to wear your wig completely glueless, or you can glue it down. With a wig like this, you definitely can wear it glueless, but again, if you do want like a really stronger hold, I would recommend going in and just gluing it down just for a stronger hold. Not even gluing it down, you could just use the any adhesive that you want. You don't necessarily have to use glue. You can use the Got To Be Bottom Free spray. That's a favorite of mine. I love it because it's so easy to, you know, just come up. But yeah, this is the wig, you guys. I'm so loving this. I love the fact that there's no baby hairs, but it looks so natural. And I don't know, lately I've been like getting tired of like these ridiculous baby hairs. It's just like they're doing the most with the baby hairs now, and it just looks so unnatural to me. I'm still a little old school, so I still honestly prefer a wig with no baby hairs compared to having to, you know, be having to swoop like 1,000,001 baby hairs just to mask that your lace looks like shit. And I feel like that's what people do a lot of times, is like they would add a ridiculous amount of baby hairs on a wig just to mask like the wig install. I really do feel like as long as you have a neat install and your lace is completely melted, all that extra baby hairs is unnecessary. So I love me a no baby hair look. I'm so here for this. This hair is definitely giving me like grown and sexy vibes. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair. And also, it took the curls so well. The hair did come in like a wavy pattern, but I did go back in and curl it up, and it took the curls so well. Yeah, the hair is bomb, you guys. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I will have all the info listed down below in the description box for you guys, so definitely check the description box for all the details on the hair, the specs, the name, everything. Also, their website will be listed down below. Do I have anything else I want to say? I think we've pretty much touched base on everything. The hair is amazing, you guys. You guys can pretty much see for yourself, like flawless, absolutely flawless. So again, thank you Rpgshow for sponsoring this video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair. How are you guys feeling the look? Are we giving grown and sexy vibe? Let me know. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.